Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Noodle link in description.
Alright, today is December 20th, and we're winding down the Advent calendar. It's getting closer to Christmas Eve, which will be the last day. But until then, it is the 20th, and here is number 20, I believe, right there. So let's do it. And so today is classic yakisoba again, and I realized just now this is the cup version, whereas before I had the package version. So cool, I really like this one. Let's try the cup version. Well, good morning. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got Day 20. This is December 20th, 2025, and this is Cup Noodle Soba Classic. And the pack version I had of this was really good. So I'm excited to try the cup version. So that's what's going on today. Hope you're having a wonderful Saturday. That's gonna go over here, and this is gonna go for 3 minutes. It is another extremely dark day here in the zone of where I'm at in the Northwest, the great Northwest. I haven't heard the horrible song yet. There's this song called Christmas in the Northwest that they like to play, and it's probably the worst Christmas song I've ever heard in my life. If you want to hear something absolutely vile and disturbing, go look it up. There's a little music video with it. It's really strange, but yeah, go on YouTube and look up Christmas in the Northwest. Everybody here seems to be feeling a little bit under the weather. A lot of sniffling, a lot of sneezing, coughing, and such. I have a little bit of a guttural, and yeah, the air is really strange right now because it's breezy. It says, I think it said it was like 44 degrees outside. Feels like 35. It's not that breezy, but man, is it cold. It's like I opened the blinds over here where I take my pretty pictures, and it just felt like waves of cold air coming off of that. So, in fact, now it's kind of nice. I can keep my energy drinks down there about 3 feet away from the window, and I grab one in the morning and I'm like, wow, this is refreshingly cold. Huh. Definitely that time of year. We're looking at the possibility of a frozen mix, but I don't see anything about snow. It'll like show up in our weather. It's like it's gonna snow, and then it's like gone 10 minutes later, replaced by rain. Definitely got rain coming. So yeah. Today I think we're gonna go to do a couple things. I think we might be going to there's like this big church, and then they like blast all these LED. Oh no, it's like a net of LEDs that they put all over it, and it's crazy. I mean, we're not like religious or anything. We like Christmas, hey, you know, but it's crazy. It's like it's all synced to music. It's just like this massive power bill of like, whoa. So there'll be some video of that. You'll get to see that. But we went once before, and it was really neat. They give you cookies and candy canes, try to make you watch a movie, and we opt out of the film. But, you know, they're doing their thing. They gotta do what they do. It's what they do, so. Okay. Draining the noodle, as it were. There we go. But yeah, it's Saturday. I like it. I'm okay with it. I've come to terms with it being Saturday. But man, my nose. Wow. But yeah, I was kind of hoping today I'd be able to try out a new camera that I was gifted, and I've still got to wait for the charger. But hopefully that'll show up today, and then I'll be able to use that camera tomorrow. I've found myself really enthralled with camera gear. I really like it. Okay, there's the required thing. Okay. Alright, so here we go. So this is what you see when you open it up. And we're gonna add in our classic sauce. Classic yakisoba sauce has like a tamarind element, a little bit sweet, not really spicy, very, very tangy. Big fan. But more often than not, when I see something like this coming from Japan, it gets translated as sauce yakisoba. So there you go. Sauce yakisoba. Fork. And then we mix the sauce into the noodle. I would have to say the most unique one of these I've tried during this advent calendar has got to been the sweet and sour. It wasn't violently strong, and it tasted like what I would expect sweet and sour sauce to taste like. Whereas I've had sweet and sour flavored things and teriyaki flavored things here in the States, they use a lot of cane sugar and vinegar, and it's really doesn't taste like anything remotely like one would expect. And I think that just is all about shelf stability, which is like, that's great, it'll last on the shelf for 2 years, but it doesn't taste like it's supposed to be. So you've got a product that's sitting on the shelf for 2 years that isn't all that great. And maybe that's why it needs to sit on the shelf for 2 years. Anyways, this probably does not. The comments that I've gotten from these soba varieties, people really like these over there. So, cheers. Yeah, super good. Tastes like sauce yakisoba. Saucy. So first, we have the plate of fury. This is actually an IKEA plate I got at a thrift store. Now you know. a lot of stuff in the bottom. A lot of veg. That I like too. I wonder if they'll ever come out with something like this here in the States. They've got like, what is it here? Cup noodle stir fry. And there are some varieties of that are really quite good. But this is more of like, kind of more of a traditional style yakisoba. And the stuff here kind of leans away from like traditional Asian styles. And I think they'd be well served if they did come out with something like this. I think yakisoba is pretty well known. Teriyaki is, things like that. Ooh, this didn't get warmed up enough. Hold on a second, let me fix that. Goodness gracious. Yeah, that did, but that did not. Oh, it's because it's an extra thick slice of chashu. There we go. There we are. Chashu. Go get the torch. Torch it up. I really like this thing. It's fun to torch things. I gotta admit. I remember there was a photo shoot that was done here for I think it was a Korean magazine, or an article that was done about me, and the lady who came and did the photography, she like jumped when I like grabbed the torch and started. She's like, "Oh, you got to tell me when you're gonna do something cool, like using a blowtorch." I'm like, "Oh, no problem." Got some egg. Here we go. Usually I'd use like a fried egg on this, but here we go. It's kind of nice doing it one review at a time. It goes pretty quick. It's not like an all-day thing, that's for sure. And granted, after this, I'm going to be going doing a lot of editing and stuff. But I like that. Put you right there. And a little spot wipe. You like doing spot wipe? That's what I'm doing. Come on, paper towel. Kind of nice having a little bit of extra time to do these things. Okay. I'll use the seeds second. First, we're gonna Make it all goo-goo. There. Oh, that was way more than I needed. That's okay though. I'm hoping that hasn't been way too loud the whole time. It's very possible, and if so, I apologize. Alright. Scallion, egg, narinamaki, chashu, and now we have the mayo at hand. It's mayo time. I used to have this thing way back in the day, and it was called the mayo knife. Whoa, that one went a little too nutty. Cray cray. Alright. Here's the plate look. Oh, I'm like, what is all this junk all over? Oh, it's from the blowtorch. It's like it went crazy. Garnish. And then we got, boy, that's a tough call. She might eat. I don't think anybody's gonna eat it other than me. So, and even in that case, I probably won't. So maybe what I'll use, I haven't used any of this in a while. I'm gonna use some pepper thread on top and see if perhaps, even though it's really not a great application of pepper thread, but here's some on top. So here you are. Here is your yakisoba. Is it me or is it just like horribly uncentered? We'll see how it goes. I don't know. It might just be like super not centered. So what if we do this? There, that's a little better. All right, here's some Christmas-ish music. Oh, all right. Well, that's it for today. Tomorrow will be Sunday, and maybe the images will look different, and I'll have other things to show you. Anyways, get out, go do weird stuff. It's Christmas time. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.